Good morning, YouTube. I was up until ungodly hours last night printing off this Gridfinity box for all of my little metric hardware storage Gridfinity bins here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put together. But first, we need to do a lid reveal. I put a special pattern on the bottom surface, and I was using that cool build plate. So let's have a, oh my god. That turned out exactly how I wanted it to. This is a genuine first, this is crazy. That is awesome. Alright, so we're gonna get this thing put together. I've got the two screws already in the back hinge. I just need to peel a couple more pieces of support off here. And I need to get my screwdriver out. I'll be right back. Bang. Alright, there it is. So, I'll go ahead and grab my Phillips bit here. Set that sucker in there. Line it up. Run it in by hand a little bit. Make sure it stays straight. Make sure it's still in frame. I don't have any doubts that this thing's gonna last because these screws are tough to put in. Almost there. It's almost there. These fine threads, man. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta put the lid latch on. Am I missing something? Only two of these locked together. But it's totally like I'm missing a piece. Unless, oh, I think I'm just supposed to put a screw through there. Yeah, there's just supposed to be a screw through one of these to clip onto. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. A little bit longer. That one ought to work. Screws ever. Gotta loosen it up just a little bit. It's a little too tight. Oh yeah, that's nice. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and repeat on the other side, and I will be right back. Alrighty, and after a couple more screws, we got it all done. Latch is nice and tight. Opens up like so, and there's lots of room inside for me to stack up my Gridfinity. So I'm gonna get to organizing, and we'll see you next time.